What's up guys, it's Patrick here from My Build Stuff. I'm going to show you how to paint brick today. I'm outside, and it's hotter than two rats banging in a tube sock. That brick behind me, I want to paint it. I already started painting the house, and I was like, why aren't I making a video on how to paint brick? So here's the video on how to paint brick. You're going to need paint, obviously. You're going to need a paintbrush. Here's the paint I used. Behr, interior, exterior. I used the high gloss because it just looks better to me. And then there's a masonry brush I tried to use, but that looks better on like center blocks, things like that. It didn't really do me much justice. So literally I'm just using a trim brush to get all this in. And then yeah, we'll do a little quick time-lapse deal. There it is before, and I'll show you how to do it. I forgot to mention, you're gonna need a party shirt to get paint on, and then beer. How'd you do this tedious shit without beer? See that? Mush it on. This is a really good brush. That might ruin it. I might not, I don't know. But anyway, I just goop it on. Do it in. You can do like thicker if you don't want like the little cracks and stuff to show, but it's brick, it's not perfect. Apparently nothing I do is perfect. Just like lube. See? Stick it in there. Lube it up. Stick it in there.
It's a real life, I know. It's a real life, I know.
Alright, so there you have it. So don't be afraid to lube it up and stick it in. Be scared to paint brick. I mean, obviously it won't be the same brick color anymore. It'll be the color you made, but it'll look awesome. So that's it. Paint the brick. See ya. What?
You're two rats in a tube sock.